Rizwan Shafi, Executive Vice President at Crescent Bahuman. Crescent Bahuman is a vertically integrated jeanswear plant, specializing in denim bottoms, catering to a world-class customer base including the Levi, Gap. It is a world-class facility. After the WTO kicks in, we understand that the quotas will be eliminated. Crescent Bahuman operates on a 7-day lead time from cut to ship operation. That is unheard of anywhere in the world. What we're looking from technology is making that lead time shorter, so our customers can have their product quicker. That also gives us an edge to service our customers because they have to maintain lower inventories outside of Pakistan. Crescent had a lot of online data acquisition systems. Again, the problem was the data was being acquired and not being used properly. The problem that comes in the whole thing is that data is not good enough. There has to be a tool to analyze it and make good business sense out of it. We understand that all these solutions are not decision systems. They are decision support systems. End of the day, a human has to interact with them. But we wanted to equip the human to make better judgments and on a much faster basis. The deciding factor in Crescent going for a new technology solution based in Oracle was that Crescent was initially running a lot of small ERP solutions fit for its spinning, weaving, and other businesses that it runs. But the irony was that all these systems were not talking to each other. Crescent deployed AS400s in 1980s, and there was about time that we integrated the whole setup to ensure speed and quality for our customers. TechLogix has been a great business partner for us, and they have re-engineered some of our processes, and they have also been the guiding force for us to go for an Intel Itanium processor.
Intel-based servers always remain a most popular choice for the renowned organization. With the experience of existing server and trust, we decided to continue with Intel, offering 64-bit technology.
This solution is being deployed in our parent company, which is the Crescent Textile Mills in Faisalabad and Crescent Bahuman. Crescent Textile Mills is engaged in, again, it's a vertically integrated setup, and it housed a lot of different technologies which had to come to a single platform. And now what is going to happen is that these two companies will get aligned in terms of its technology and will be able to cater for the complete customer range from one angle altogether. Since we had given the lead to TechLogix to make all our technology solutions, and we were in safe hands, and the Crescent's own internal information technology team had the same analysis also, that we have to go for an Intel Itanium processor. It was important for Crescent to choose the right technology partner, and Intel Itanium did just that for us.